Hello Edmonton, Rob Jastrzebski with RJ Homes and eXp Realty here, and today I wanted to announce some new lots that we just had listed over here in the orchards in southeast Edmonton. As a matter of fact, we are on Mayday Rink. And so there's two lots right here, the one on the corner and one next door. They're obviously meant for duplex build, and so it's 8504 and 8506 Mayday Rink. And just to get an idea, this is a good example of what you can build there. And right next door to these two lots is an existing duplex already. And so on the other side of these duplexes, there's two more. We have two more duplex lots there as well. And so as you can tell, this is what's existing is 8508 and 8510. So the other two lots are 8512 and 8514. Another good example of size, you can just look behind me here. This duplex is under construction. The foundation's already in. You can see what I wanted to focus on is that there is plenty of space between these homes. So these are not zero lot line lots. So this is very important because a lot of the new construction out there is now zero lot lines, and that is not the case here. So this is one of the last neighborhoods that you'll find that has regular size lots, not those zero lot lines. So again, have a look. There are two other lots. They're basically on the other side of this already existing duplex. Those are already on the system. We have them already listed. Take a look at our website. I'll just take a quick walk over here. Our website is rjhomes.ca. Of course, you can call me direct at 780-222-8222. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, these lots are gonna go fast. I'm already getting a lot of requests for information. And so please don't hesitate. Give us a call or take a look at our website, rjhomes.ca, for all the info.